Basta, welcome to my vlog. It's me, Gian. Punta tayo ngayon sa isang Filipino children's party. This is a very typical children's party. Nasa jeep tayo. It's not the safest to vlog, but I'll take you on my trip. Hi, welcome to my vlog. Punta tayo sa children's birthday party ng colleague ko, and eto yung gift natin that took me more than 1 hour to wrap, pero disaster. I'm gonna show it later. Masahe po. We are at MRT Pasay, and this is the beginning of the train line, and we're heading to Star Mall, which is at Shaw Station. It's gonna take us around 25 minutes to get there. This is for females and senior citizens, pregnant women. This is where you usually go. And as you can see, the train will be waiting for you. This is my crude attempt to gift wrap. Actually just use the paper bag and just cut it off, and this paper twine was from the handle of the paper bag from National Bookstore. Yeah, so this is my gift. And the torn part I patched up with washi tape. So many guards. Guys, welcome to Star Mall. It's my first time, and we're going to look for Jollibee.
Sinasabi ni Lord sa mga magulang na ipasok sa puso ang kanyang salita at ituro sa mga anak. Kapag nakaupo sa bahay, habang naglalakad, bago matulog at pagkagising. Notice po natin that God did not command parents merely to teach about informations about Him. He called them to live out their faith.